Proxima Centauri is the closest star to our solar system. It is located 4.24 light-years from Earth. That may sound close, but with current technology, reaching it would take thousands of years. And surprisingly, this nearby star may be far more dangerous than our own Sun. Because unlike our star, Proxima Centauri is one of the most violent stars scientists have ever observed. For decades, humanity has searched for worlds beyond our solar system. But among trillions of stars in our galaxy, one star stands closer than all the others: Proxima Centauri. It belongs to a three-star system known as Alpha Centauri, located just 4.24 light-years away, around 40 trillion kilometers from Earth. In cosmic terms, that is practically our next-door neighbor. Yet despite being the closest star to humanity, we know surprisingly little about what truly exists there. The fastest spacecraft ever built by humans is Voyager 1. It travels at roughly 61,000 kilometers per hour. At that speed, reaching Proxima Centauri would take over 73,000 years. Even modern rockets used by NASA would barely make a difference. With current technology, interstellar travel remains almost impossible. The nearest star to humanity is still completely out of reach. At first glance, Proxima Centauri may seem similar to our Sun, but in reality, it is completely different. It is what astronomers call a red dwarf star. Its mass is only around 12% of the Sun. Its diameter is nearly 7 times smaller, and its brightness is incredibly weak compared to our star. If Proxima replaced our Sun tomorrow, Earth would instantly freeze. But size is not what makes this star dangerous. Unlike the Sun, Proxima Centauri is highly unstable. Scientists have observed massive stellar eruptions, far more violent than anything our Sun regularly produces. These eruptions are known as stellar flares. In some observations, the star increased its brightness dozens of times within seconds. But here is where things become even more interesting. Scientists discovered a planet orbiting Proxima Centauri. It is called Proxima Centauri b. It is slightly larger than Earth, and it exists inside what scientists call the habitable zone, the region where liquid water could theoretically exist. This immediately raised a question: could life exist there? But the answer may be more complicated than expected, because Proxima b orbits extremely close to its star, much closer than Mercury is to our Sun. That means every violent flare from Proxima Centauri directly strikes the planet. Scientists believe these repeated radiation blasts could slowly destroy the planet's atmosphere. Without atmosphere, liquid water disappears. Surface temperatures become unstable, and complex life becomes extremely unlikely. The nearest potentially habitable world to Earth may actually be completely lifeless. Some future technologies may eventually make the journey possible. Scientists have proposed laser-powered light sails, tiny spacecraft accelerated close to the speed of light. At those speeds, the trip to Proxima Centauri could take only 20 years. Projects such as Breakthrough Starshot are already exploring these ideas. For the first time in history, humanity may eventually send technology to another star system. Right now, the closest star to humanity sits only 4.24 light-years away, a tiny distance compared to the size of the universe. Yet even our nearest stellar neighbor remains unreachable. And what we do know about it raises more questions than answers. A violent, unstable star, a planet that may once have held promise, and a destination humanity may spend centuries trying to reach. The nearest star beyond our Sun reminds us how enormous the universe truly is.